To remove the wiper blade, pull this up and out. Now these wiper blades are held on by a J-hook, so if you know how to remove a J-hook, that's how you take them off. Now there is a clip on the back of these wipers. Push that in, and just push that in, push down on the wiper, it'll come right off, like that. Now installing them, you're going to want to make sure the wiper blades are facing the window. Then right here, you're going to put the J-hook in this hole here. Slide in, put the windshield wiper like that, position the hook, and now to get it on, just pull up until it clicks. There. Now put it down, lift up, and it's on.